Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix Bluetooth not working on your iPhone. So guys, if you are facing this problem and you don't know that how can you fix this issue, so guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, you have to just simply open settings, tap on general, scroll down and then tap on shutdown. So guys, shut down your iPhone to 15 to 20 seconds and after that open it again and check if the problem is fixed or not. If the problem is still there guys, then you have to just simply open settings again and then tap on Bluetooth and turn on and turn it off and again turn it on and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then you have to just simply scroll it below, tap on general, tap on software update and make sure that you are using the updated version of iOS. If you don't have updated version, then update your device to the latest version of iOS 18 and after that again go back and scroll it below and here you can see transfer or reset iPhone. So guys, simply tap on it and then tap on reset and here tap on reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode and reset your network setting for one time. So guys, after resetting your network setting for one time, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today guys. Hope this video helps you. If the videos helps you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.